Hello! Ready to trade the cold Canadian winter for warm tropical sunshine and unforgettable trails? Here's your ultimate 15 days active journey through Vietnam. Packed with epic adventures from north to south. Start your journey in Hanoi, immersing yourself in centuries of rich history, bustling French Quarter Street, and world-famous street food culture. Head high into the mountain of Sapa, trek through dramatic ride terrace, connect with the local hill drive, and conquer the peak of Phan Xipang. Slow down in the peaks of Mai Châu, cycling through lush emerald valleys and traditional steel house villages. In Ninh Bình, roll past towering limestone mountain along Tam Cốc River and climb Mùa Cave for jaw-dropping panoramic views. Set sail into Lan Ha Bay, the serene, untouched neighbor of Ha Long Bay, kayak through hidden cave, and sleep beneath the stars. Fly central to magical Hội An, spin in traditional basketball, visit local organic farm, and wonderlands and lead ancient street. Take a cable car up to Bana Hill and step out onto the iconic Golden Bridge, cradled by gigantic giant hands in the cloud. Then escape to Island Paradise, recharge with 3 days of pure bliss on Phu Quoc tropical white sand beach. Discover the vibrant life of the Mekong Delta, navigating winding waterways and coconut grove by local wooden boats. Finish in dynamic Saigon, exploring historic landmarks and the fascinating underground network of Cu Chi Tunnel. 15 days of high adventures, rich culture, and total relaxation, all customized for you. Send a message today to get your free tailor-made itinerary and start planning your bucket list trip to Vietnam.